Hi, I'm Brian Fitzgerald, the training specialist with the Center for Excellence in Learning and Teaching and the Center for E-Learning at Valdosta State University. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create a new quiz using the Quiz Builder feature in BlazeVIEW. From the navigation bar, select the Assessments tab and then click on Quizzes from the drop-down menu that appears. Then select the New Quiz button. Give your quiz an appropriate name and description. Then link the quiz to your gradebook by selecting the Not in Gradebook button and then selecting the Edit or Link to Existing option. If you've already set up your gradebook, you can select Link to an existing grade item and then find the appropriate grade item from the drop-down menu that appears. You can also set the due date by clicking here. In the Availability Dates and Conditions menu, you can set the start and end dates and add these dates to the calendar. Between the due date and the end date, students will still be able to complete the quiz, but it will be marked late. After the end date, students will no longer have access to the quiz. You can also set release conditions and special access for the quiz here. In the Timing and Display menu, you can set a time limit for the quiz and adjust the timer settings. You can also determine how many questions are shown per page in the Paging drop-down menu. Click on the Shuffle Quiz button to shuffle the questions and sections within the quiz. In the Attempts and Completion menu, you can determine how many times a student can complete the quiz. By default, students can take it one time. You can change this by clicking the Manage Attempts button, which also allows you to determine which score you keep. The Evaluation and Feedback menu allows you to automatically publish quiz results and determine what information students can access after the scores are published. Once you've completed your settings, it is time to add questions to your quiz. If you've already set up a question bank, you can add questions through the Add Existing button. If you are creating new questions now, you can click on Create New, then New Question, then select the appropriate question type. Here, I'll select Multiple Choice. Write your question in the question text box, and then put your answers in the boxes below. Note the correct answer by clicking on the circle to the left of the correct choice. To remove an answer choice, click on the X next to it. To add another choice, click on the Add Answer button. You have the option to randomize the answer order and determine the number of points for this question. When you are finished writing questions, ensure that the total points matches up with the grade out of points for the gradebook. Then click Save and Close. And that is how you create a new quiz using the Quiz Builder in BlazeVIEW.